Family moon means a honeymoon getaway that includes the newlywed couple's children is known as a family moon. This word can be used to refer to couples who had children from former relationships as well as couples who had children from previous relationships with their current partner before getting married. As you might assume, the term family moon is used in marketing and social media to refer to vacation destinations that are welcoming to children and offer a variety of activities that children may participate in. The concept of a honeymoon inspired the creation of the term family moon, which refers to a vacation taken by a married couple with their children. The offspring of the marriage are referred to as their family, hence the term family moon. The term baby moon is an example of a related word that makes use of the moon suffix and is derived from the word honeymoon. A trip taken by a couple to commemorate and get some rest before the impending birth of a child is called a baby moon.